Are you struggling to keep up with today's business software? If so, then we know exactly how you feel. When you need a contemporary website, or to analyze your business stats, or even process quotes, invoices, and payments on the spot, it can be frustrating to know which apps will do the job, and trying to figure out how to use all the features can be very daunting and time-consuming, especially when you're busy working on your business, with little time to work in your business. To avoid being left behind, you really need someone who will explain how your software works step by step, and, if necessary, customize it exactly for you, so your software works for you on your terms without all the complicated or irrelevant jargon. That's why today, we're thrilled to announce our small to medium business programs. Here at CTE Small Business Specialists, we've been helping businesses for over 20 years, and our small to medium business programs mean that, if necessary, we can customize Microsoft Office, Service 8, or your CRM, or even your website to reflect how you and your business works, and you can learn everything you need to learn, so you can spend more time working on your business, work smarter not harder, and get more customers. Plus, if you have any questions, or you get stuck, you can pick up the phone and call our friendly team of software specialists, so help is never far away. Good business software should save you time, help you to serve your customers more efficiently, and help you make more money, so you can spend more time with your loved ones. Call us now on 1-800-222-620 to book a spot in our small to medium business program. Call 1-800-222-620.